Hey guys, this is Natural Raw Essence. I am coming on. This is such an unexpected video. Forgive me how I'm dressed. I have been nauseous all morning and I've had a migraine, a really severe migraine. But I just thought about making this video because this package came in today and I was so excited. I've been wanting to get this for quite a while. So with no further ado, let me just get into the video. So I don't know. I have been really into weather gear because the weather has been so extreme. We have been through hot, cold, rain, like severe heavy rainstorms, even not in my area, but tornadoes, hurricanes, and stuff like that. So I'm really into really getting gear that will protect you when you're out and about. So I came across this website and I've also seen it on, I think I've seen it on, I don't know where I saw it first, if it was on Instagram or if I just came across the website. But it comes in a package, mailing package like this. And there, it is the Hairbrella. And so I got burgundy because my raincoat is a light gray, but my winter jacket is the same exact color as this. It's going to look so cute. So it comes folded, and this is the tag. That's what it looks like. And so it protects your hair from heavy storms and the rain. And I thought this would be the perfect curly girl, naturalista Christmas gift for someone, and it's satin lined on the inside. So it's just like you're wearing a hair bonnet. It protects your hair and it folds out like this. And it has a visor that protects you from the rain. And my raincoat does not have a hoodie. I don't know why. I think all raincoats should have a hoodie, but mine doesn't. So when I saw this, I thought it would be the perfect, and it has the logo here. So I thought it would be the perfect rain gear. Put it on, and it goes on just like you're wearing a hair bonnet. So let me take my glasses off. So this is, it's really super, super big because of my hair. I have it up in a bonnet. If I was wearing a puff, it probably would hold, and it's one size fits all. So you can probably, push it back off of your forehead. If you have a lot more hair, it's going to be perfect. If you have braids or if you have like locks, this would be perfect. You can stuff all your hair in the back. But I just thought it was super, super, super cute. Wonder if you can turn it. You probably can wear it backwards. I'll just stuff the ticket in. Maybe not. I don't think that's going to work. Yeah, it's kind of cute. Gives it a little style if you want to wear it backwards. That looks kind of super cute too. So either way you want to wear it, it's up to you. But I just wanted to pop on here real quick.